Hello kids, in today's video we will continue our balancing exercises, but today's balancing exercises are going to be very exciting although they are very challenging for you. So let's do it together. Let's start. For today's first exercise, we will stand straight and feet together like this. Now both the hands should be on the sides. Now close your eyes and we will move our neck towards the right. Now slowly towards left. So we will do this exercise like this. Let's do it with me. Let's start. Stand straight, feet should be together like this. Hands on the sides. Close your eyes. Now move your neck towards right. Now on the left slowly. Balance your body. Now towards right again. Now towards left slowly. Make sure your feet will be together. Now again right. Now on the left. Now relax. Open your eyes. After learning first exercise, let's move to our next exercise. So for this exercise, keep your feet in a line like this. Now hands will be on the same position on the sides. Again, we will close our eyes to do this exercise, and this time we will move our neck up and down. So this exercise, while doing this exercise, you got to know how good is your stability and balance. So let's do it together. Keep your feet in a line like this. I'll show you from the side like this. Now hands on the sides like this. Balance your body. Now neck movement up. Down. Again up. And down. Make sure your eyes will be closed. Up. And down. Relax. I hope you have enjoyed this exercise. Now after this exercise, you can take 5 to 10 seconds rest, and then you will repeat the exercise. Let's move to our next exercise now. So for this exercise, come on your toes. Balance your body. Now join your hands together. Now move your neck towards your right. Now slowly on your left. Now look up and look down. Again look on your right. Slowly to the left. Now look up and look down. Now relax. Now we will repeat the exercise after taking rest for 5 to 10 seconds. Let's repeat the exercise again. You have to come on your toes like this, heels up. Now join your hands together. Now start looking at your right. Slowly move your neck towards your left. Now we have to look up. Now look down. Again to the right. Now left. Look up. And down. Now relax. Let's move to our next exercise of today's video and the last exercise. For this exercise, stand straight, right leg forward like this. Now balance your body on your one leg. Now raise your hands, both the hands at your shoulder level. Now right hand forward, balance. Now left hand forward. Now both the hands in forward direction. Now relax. Now we'll do it with another leg. Now stand on your right leg and left leg forward like this. Both the hands at your shoulder level. Now right hand forward. Now left hand forward. Now both the hands forward direction. Balance your body on your one leg. Now come back and relax. Now take rest for 5 seconds and we will repeat the exercise with both the legs. Breathe normally. Now let's repeat the exercise. So now we have to stand on our left leg and right leg forward like this. Balance your body on your left leg. Raise your hands at your shoulder level. Now right hand forward. Left hand forward. Now both the hands forward. Now relax. Now with another leg. Left leg forward and balance your body on your right leg. Both the hands at your shoulder level. Right hand forward. Left hand forward. Now both the hands forward. Now relax. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.